Introducing the Stovetop Grill Oven Pan. Its thick base makes it suitable for all kinds of stovetops, including induction, and its cast aluminium design makes for even heat distribution. The ribbed surface is perfect for using less oil and draining excess grease. The lid has a silicone rim to protect the pan from scratches. The patented lid, featuring perfectly sized laser-etched holes, releases steam from the pan whilst containing splatter, retaining heat and cooking food to perfection. The grill oven pan features an effective non-stick coating for perfect results every time. Even frozen pizza, just place it directly into the pan with no need to defrost. Great for steak, vegetables, fries, tortilla. The pan is oven safe. Silicone grips make it easy and safe to pick up and serve. The perfect kitchen and dining companion. The Stovetop Grill Oven Pan.
Hi, I'm Beck Doyle with Fine Dine. This is the Yorkshire glass beverage dispenser. It holds a gallon of your favorite cold beverages. Our dispenser makes a great centerpiece for celebrations and cookouts. It allows everyone to help themselves to fresh juice, water, iced tea, sangria, or other refreshments. It includes an ice cylinder which allows you to cool your beverage without diluting it. It is great for keeping your favorite beverage cold, fresh, and ready to serve in your fridge. This glass dispenser comes with a metal screw-on lid. The wide mouth makes it easy to add fruit and super easy to clean. The high-quality stainless steel spigot is easy to use and never drips or leaks. And just toss the container in the dishwasher when you're ready to clean it. Our Fine Dine glass beverage dispenser will make a valuable addition to your home, or a great gift for a friend. If you're looking for a beverage dispenser, you just found it.